internet and welcome to Cyber League. Today we are gonna talk about steganography. Steganography is data hidden within data. Steganography is an encryption technique that can be used along with cryptography as an extra secure method in which to protect data. We are gonna hide our text message into image. Create a folder and place an image of your choice into it. Prefer image as JPG. Now here create a text document and type your hidden data in it. I'm typing a random text in it. Now save it as name you want. For example, here I named it X. Now copy your image file into your folder and name it as Y. Now zip your text file by right-clicking and select Add to RAR. As you can see, I had my text file into it. You can delete your text file from the folder. Now go to Command Prompt and locate your folder there. Here you can see my folder in Command Prompt. Now type a command which is in description. After running command, you can see a new image file is created with name Z. This Z file contains our actual text file hidden in it. To see our hidden data from image, just open that Z image file and WinRAR. Here is our Z file, just open it. As you can see, our text file is the image as it was created. So it's called steganography. Thank you for watching and keep hacking.
Yeah.